Braadkyaas Jamiekan now give the news in the Jamaican language.
Wagwan, this is Kadeen Marshall and me go give the news rundown in the Jamaican language. First, me give the headlines. The Police Federation said them not take the 4% where the government want give them. The PNP kick Karen Cross out of the party. The Portland police lock up 2 women for rob and beat up one next woman. Make sure you follow our YouTube page Braadkyaas Jamiekan for hear more news and like the video after you done listen. Now for the news. The Police Federation said them not take the government 4% increase on them pay. Yesterday, Corporal Rowan James, or the chairman for the Federation, said the section committee meet Monday with everybody who upon the board them and all of the secretary them and everybody said them not take the money. Corporal James said the 4% would add on to $2,801.74 per one constable pay a month time. On top of that, him said the police them a struggle right now and him a wait upon the Federation for see what them a go do next. The People National Party PNP put out something so them kick Karen Cross out of them party. The party executive made the decision Monday night after some member of the party and have been in a cascade for some months now. The PNP said they meet with the executive committee and the disciplinary committee and then follow section 260 of Freedom Law book and everybody says she will get kicked out of the party right away. The Portland police lock up and charge 2 women who them claim to rob and beat up one woman on Monday, September 27. The woman them a 34 years old Tanisha Walker who come from Clovis Way in a Buff Bay, Portland, and 19 years old Crystal Gale who come from the same place too. According to the police report, around 9:35 in the morning, them rushed the woman when she been a walk go her yard. Them beat her up and thief 50 grand from her. The police said they must set one court date for the 2 women. The police killed one man yesterday who them claims to kill one police officer a couple weeks back. The dead man, a 21 years old Javani Rodney, who people call Pim Pim, who come from one Portmore Villa address. The police say Rodney been killed 57 years old Alvarez McLaren, or one police sergeant. McLaren been a play domino in a one yard when gunman kill him. According to the police report, around 5 in the morning, them been a do one operation pan Dela Cree Lane or Spanish Town when Rodney dead. Some report come out that only a gunshot been a bus in a Granville St. James yesterday. This come after 2 somebody get shot and dead Monday and 3 house burned down. 63 years old Ainsworth Buckner and 27 years old O'Shane Brown been dead in a that. One next somebody been get shot too. People, I just remember when I said the curfew run from 8 p.m. tonight and on 5 a.m. in the morning. Me name Kadeen Marshall and that are the news rundown in the Jamaican language.
Braadkyaas Jamiekan just give the news in the Jamaican language.